Hey guys, here's my trade recap for Tuesday, June 16th. Lost $500. Uh, Overall, I thought it was a pretty good setup. I just got stop rated, and then now we have a better setup right here, and price is now heading to our drawn liquidity. But yeah, overall, I thought it was a good setup, and I just didn't know where to go break even, and had a pretty big stop loss compared to the break-even trade that I took. Well, let's get into it. Overall, initially I had a bearish bias, but I missed like two setups because we have an unmitigated 4-hour gap here, and we had a bunch of low resistance liquidity built up from London session last night right here. So I wanted to target this Asia low and these London session liquidity. But coming into New York session, we have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap here. 7:30 open. I wanted price to manipulate into this 15-minute gap and then sweep those liquidity points here, but we didn't get that. Right at 7:30 open, we swept those lows right away, and price ended up manipulating higher. But I did not switch buys here. We still have a target here, which is the 4-hour unmitigated bullish gap. So we're still targeting that. And I just waited for price to essentially go back to this I essentially just waited for price to tap into this 15-minute, wait for an IFVG setup, and enter for shorts. We had CASD here. Decided not to take this because it was low probability. But we had another one right here, which was the trade that I should have took. Right here. This was the trade that I missed. And the other one was this one right here, because yes, we inversed this 5-minute bearish gap here, but our stop here is really protected. We had a really protected stop here, so I don't see price going back up there again. And the trade that I'm really pissed about is this one that I missed, this 1-minute IFVG, because this was the one that I was targeting. This is the one that I really wanted for this setup. We have an accumulation phase here, manipulation, and then distribution down. But I missed that setup, and price ended up hitting our DOLs. So when we hit that 4-hour gap, I wanted to go for longs now, and this is the loss that I took. We tap into that 4-hour gap. We have two 1-minute IFVGs. I mean, two 1-minute FVGs, and I wanted price to inverse this top one. We did ended up inversing that stop loss right here, but it ended up stop rating me, and we had a better setup than the one that I took, which is right here. And I'm surprised price is not delivering higher right now, because we have a bunch of liquidity stacked up here now. And then I re-entered right here. We have an IFVG, but I entered off of the CSD. I was up for a while, could have gone a 1-to-1, but I was aiming for 1-to-2 and ended up hitting break even. Overall, I was patient and I didn't really force any trades. This is an A+. I would take this anytime. Also this one, but I just got stop rated, and I'm surprised price is not going higher and delivering higher now. Peace.